Spiritual journey. This is the 25th day of 30 day series, and today who are working around the world, either a man or a woman, around the world in any states and any country, I don't know, but they deserve respect. But who are struggling for a job and they are not getting the expectations of their life, if they are starting a new thing, please support them. They also deserve some respect, I think so. Men's deserve respect and women's also deserve respect because they are struggling a lot for their families and themselves. If you agree, please comment me in the comment box. If you have any idea to escape from copyrights from YouTube long videos using sounds of different like Hollywood, Bollywood, anything, Tollywood as well, can we have an escape from copyrights? If you have any of idea, please comment me and help me how to have voice and how to use sounds in my video. If you have any idea, please comment and help me. Mistakes of several that I have been started rebuild myself, and later on I have created some motivation, and today I am using content creation. Yes, I have done mistakes. That is not I am lagging behind because I tried at least, and I am trying. I am going to do. I am doing right now. So I don't want to regret this, and you can also do this better and best of you, and you will get the results later. But your efforts should be natural and should talk real truth about the lives and the situations. Then you will build the trust of anyone. Otherwise, nothing comes and nothing goes. Yes, all are thinking your voice is low, but from now my voice will be actual, gives you the better output and the best output of my voice. With these sounds, I can make much larger voice to speak and motivated you and not to scroll my video when comes into your feed. Not having anything, that is also a big truth, but you have to do it with proper in a step by step process, otherwise you will all collapse in one day. The result will be shown later, but the struggles you have been bearing now will pay off you the later days or years or months, because many people are have a backup plan for everything. If you are not having any backup plan, you have to be aware of it and try to do something to have a backup plan from any field of any life. And it is dangerous for small jobs as well, because everything cannot be changed in one day. So be aware and how you can manage everything in small span of time. You have to do this because AI is booming much more than previous years. You have to be some motivation on how you have to do the work further. It is more important and most important in every life of aspect of IT or any changes in any field it is, because seeing the results of AI tools are mind blowing these days. People who are in the software, they have the peak of what you say. Some they are only earning, but it is wrong. The people who are earning some, they are also good. It is not been they are bad and they are earning some, because it is how you are living with what you have. It is not about showing up everything and how do you live. Once the job gone in every person, the EMIs, then lot of struggles and lot of people They are not going to survive. I am thinking so, but be hard and stay tuned and be consistent and search for everything. And I feel that nobody should lose their job. I feel 100%. Do your efforts and keep your job safe and live long life. But you have to win face lots of struggles. I know how much difficult it is in everyone's life. It is hard truth that nobody says out because the EMIs they bill, the EMIs they pay, literally mind blowing and shocking for us. I don't know how many jobs will be there or not in this 2026, but it is having a larger impact in further days or years. I think so. ఇప్పుడున్న సాఫ్ట్వేర్ జాబ్లో ఎవరి తల ఎవరి సీట్ ఎప్పుడు లేస్తుందో తెలీదు. అందరూ భయంతోనే బతుకుతున్నారు. బట్ ఐ ఆమ్ సమ్ డిఫరెంట్ బికాస్ ఐ వాంట్ సమ్ డిఫరెంట్ లైఫ్ అండ్ some peacefulness in life. So I am far from anything. So I want peace in life, but in a software job they will not give a single penny of time, and your time is everything. You can't eat. Some days you have to work until the work completes. You have to work with empty stomach. As you are a man or woman, I don't know, but the thing is real. If you are working in a startup or anything, it is much harder than the MNCs. If you are related or your friend related to this, please mention me in the chat, because the days who are being struggling for every day because the survival of home and their needs. They are great, man. They are great. Always great. Everything truth. This is how my life is going on nowadays, because I am nothing to have to regret or do lie or make something wrong about me or the video who are seeing. I am open. When you are open only, you will get some good full thoughts and everything will be positive in your life. Otherwise you can't do anything. You can't speak a little bit. After all my comfort zones, I have came back. I am coming out and speaking with you continuously over 24th day this is, and I am much more confident than the first video of previous. In all the videos the voice is low, but I am coming back with a new song, new mode of voice. I hope you like this. If you like this, please comment me in the comment. And I want to achieve big success. I can't satisfy with small earnings and small time, and I don't want my life to have problems or a thing like monthly salary. So I want some big, and I am passionate about it, and you are also passionate about it. Comment your name, I'll support you. If you want any guidance from me, I am open here. అందుకుంటూ రావాలి. ఎదుట ఎవడున్నా విన్నా సరే వాళ్ళు ఇన్స్పైర్ అయ్యేలా ఉండాలి. That is the thing of motivation, that is the spring of thought process in you, and everybody deserve it, and everyone will feel that they are motivated from seeing my video. Then they will not skip my video and they will focus until the end of the video. So if you are still knowing or unknowingly not able to speak or nothing, you can do it. If I am doing, you can also do it, actually in a better way, in the best way, I think so. Time takes, man. Nothing can come in one day or single day. I've been said many times, but you have to be curious and passionate about it. One day or other you will be success. చదువుకి సంబంధం లేకుండా ఏదో చిన్నదో పెద్దదో ఉద్యోగం చేస్తూ జీవితాన్ని నడిపిస్తున్న ప్రతి ఒక్క మెన్స్ ఆర్ ఉమెన్స్ ఆన్సర్ బికాస్ చదివింది ఒకటి, చదువుకుంది ఒకటి, చేసేది ఇంకొకటి. ఏ పనైనా సరే అప్డేట్గా ఉండాలి, అది నాకు తెలుసు. కానీ ఆ జీతం సరిపోదు, కానీ ప్రతి కుటుంబంలో దాంతోనే సర్వైవ్ అవుతున్నారు. ఎస్, I know the struggle when to go office, how time consumes us. There are many things to cover, but this is actually time consumption of our lives if you do a job. If you are successful or you are getting more money from your job, you are lucky. And it also gives a lot of stresses in the offices because the officers and the pressure and the office work will be that much according to the package you have. Yes, because yes, the real life and the real struggle and the real cry from my heart after this video, I think I had a confidence much better than yesterday, but I had broken my tears because in this all of things of areas, but I have heard lot of them, but I am not earning a penny of anything. That is why men deserve some respect. If you are a jobless or a job who are trying to have much things to do and they are sacrificing all, they all deserve some respect. Yes, I have a good memory of today's vlog, and everything is not permanent and everything is not temporary. Please focus on your journey, not on the obstacles or not any other thing, but be focused and consistency. You will get success in one or other day. Be focused. Yes, you have to be yourself. How many comes, how many situation goes, you have to be yourself. And yes, time, but I can help others who are not meeting their requirements and who want a positive vibe in, and they have to bring a bright future for the people who are willing to have a better success and good opportunity and open doors of their mind and get a bright success over all of their journey. Because no one has said before, because no one has no idea how to start and good guidance about the education. So I have no guidance, but I am providing some guidance to the people who are not going to start the journey of their degree or education. Yes, you will be get glimpse of idea what you can do and what should not do. Yes, this will be more informative that you have been ever seen in any YouTube channel. Yes, I will make sure you have some informative, and most of the people who are just going to college and who are just passed out for inter on anything, I had a best video for them to how to have some successful journey in their lives. I'll give support to them. If anybody, one of you who has passed recently, you can have the post my video after tomorrow's video, and it will be the so informative so that every person can get the glimpse of it and they will have some informative of anything they want to do in their life, and they will get more boost to get some work or how to start a good career with passion about it and how to get put forward in their lives. I am going to give a best video, and tomorrow will be the video, and hope all you enjoyed this video. Yes, and please support me and stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog. It is important, and please share if you have some recent people who are past and who are joining and who are going to jobs, or any BTech or degree who are going to shifting their engineering or degree fields. Yes, any degree or any PhDs or anything who want to become a successful in career, please post or share this reel of tomorrow's vlog. It will be much informative to all of them and who are going to and start a new life of their journey of education. How to go to home, so I will have productive of these 15 minutes and I'll speak continuously. I don't know what to speak, but I'll do this today because I should remind my journey of my time. I have to have responsibilities some, so how to do and work upon it. So in a hurry you can't say anything, but I'll try to make my 15 minutes so productive, so you have some information about this journey. Yes, I'm going to share my everything of my YouTube channel on my WhatsApp and social media links. I hope all have been received and all have been saw my videos, but I want the people who can grab something important of my views, something new people can grab some information and get some value for them. Yes, struggles of me and what I'm going to do, and all are seeing my as a what you say. I'm imperfect. I'm not going to do anything in my life, so I need some respect. To that, I will share my videos, and the people of locals who are near to me, they think I am something odd and I can't do anything. I'm that much on this much, and they are thinking of. But I want to prove that I am something not like all, and I am the best, and I'll do the best, and I'll try new things in different way. And the most important, you have to be yourself. How many matters? They are thinking I'm not doing anything, but I feel I deserve some respect of all these days. They are thinking that I can't do anything, I'm not able to doing anything, and I need some respect. So on daily basis I will post my content on YouTube. The ways it may get or not get the success, but I'll share. I don't know how it goes, but I'll see what the results be of. Stay tuned for more informative. If you have some information from this, you can have some like and some comments. Yes, if you have different locations and different, you can praise the vlog of the places, and you can show the different moments and different aspects and different stories about the place. But I don't want anything, I want self-talk. That is why I started morning vlogs. So a place may be odd, but my heart is true, and what I'm talking is absolutely pure from bottom of my heart. I'm only talking of pure of mind, of my inner soul. Yes, if you have some important and valued information and added to you from this video, you can have one like and one share and repost to your friend who is struggling this content creation journey, and have share the wheel who want to start this content creation. Please support me and hope you will not regret, and your wishes and your fulfillments will be somewhat success in you. I hope all should be live long and have success in their lives. Yeah.